Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by initializing the repository inside your Godot project folder. First, confirm project. Godot is present so Godot can load scenes. Then run git init, add a concise. Git ignore tailored to Godot to exclude import/temporary files, stage your files, and commit. Once done, create a README. MD that explains the game and set your main branch name with git branch mmain. Make sure to push when you add a remote next. You now link the local repo to GitHub and handle large Godot assets correctly. After adding the remote, push your main branch. Because Godot exports end. Import files can be large, enable Git LFS and track binaries and large scene exports so history stays small. Once done, establish a branching model, create feature and fix branches for work, and open pull requests for reviews. Make sure to commit scenes and scripts separately to keep you finish by automating builds and preparing for problems. Set up GitHub Actions to run Godot headless for tests and automated exports using official export templates. This ensures reproducible builds on push. Once CI passes, tag releases and upload builds as artifacts. If you encounter merge conflicts in TSCN or Eskin, re-import assets locally, resolve the scene nodes in the editor, then commit. One key troubleshooting tip. When scenes corrupt after merge, revert to the last good commit for that file and reapply small incremental changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.